I find it interesting. A lot of these solutions in the marketplace for PBMs is another middleman. Good RX. Yeah, we're going to get you the best price, but our coupons are really the big three. Tech firms really that are in this health space, they kind of fixed half the problem. Good RX, you go on to Good RX or you're on their app. The API, the technology is awesome, right? I can type in 3 letters of amoxicillin and it populates. And I type in my zip code and it tells me every pharmacy and it aggregates all the coupons. Like that's really cool. It's a really good reference point. But on the back end, they didn't they didn't buy their own network. They don't have their own pricing structure. They leased that or rented it from the big three. And that's where all these coupons are derived from. Because there's 67,000 plus pharmacies nationally. That's a lot of work managing that network of pricing. So instead, they just went to the big three PBMs and hey, give me your coupon, give me your cash rate, give me whatever you can if I can aggregate all these cash members. And they went about it that way. So they had a really cool tech section, but the pricing element of it and the kind of what's wrong with the industry, they just rented it from the big three. And that's where I just find it kind of like the dog chasing its own tail a little bit. Where I see the problem is, a plan has a high deductible health plan. So the deductible needs to be met before any sort of copay structure goes into effect. That you haven't met the deductible, so it's applying 0 discount. And now you're applying a Good RX coupon, which has no deductible. It's trying to get you the best cash rate. And that's really, when we're in there working on the PBM portion, no matter where they're filling a prescription, if the cash price is less, let's use that before the network contract deductible is even in place. So there's things that we can fix ahead of time and before deductible or before the plan year starts.